Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. Because of this piece of copper here, my Iron Man soldering streak is officially over. It's been years since I've had a leak with soldering, and thanks to this criminal here, I finally had a leak after so many years. So what happened here was, you can see the dirt here, this line here, and this line here. Well, I couldn't see these, I don't know if you want to call them pits or a valley, but whatever happened here, I couldn't sand this with the emery cloth. So doing this, it cleaned here and the other side, but it left this groove of dirt. Now, there was a wall right here about a ½ inch. I could barely get my finger between the wall and this piece of pipe. So because I couldn't see this, I didn't know that this groove, this line here, was there. So the first two couplings I soldered in, this leaked. I soldered this one right after, and this leaked as well. And when I realized what was going on, you see this groove here. This is part of the same piece of pipe, and I tried to clean this using my finger going back and forth. I tried to use a fitting brush. But guys, when you are going to solder, take a mirror and look all the way around the pipe, because this here, I don't know if it was maybe in the back of the truck and it hit something, or if this is a factory defect. But because of this, I had to go home and get more material because I ran out of couplings. I had plenty on hand, and like I said, this is the first time I've had a leak in years, and besides that, I had 2 leaks back to back because when I fixed it, or resoldered it for that matter, it leaked again. So guys, especially in a tight spot, after you clean your pipe with your emery cloth, make sure to wipe it down and take a mirror to make sure that there's no damage so you don't run into a problem like this. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.